amazing chrome. It is just like a mirror. It reminds me to the lollipops with strawberry cream. Emotional interior. Beautiful mirrors at the side, and just check out the chrome work. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we are at one of my favorite places in the world when it comes to Mercedes-Benz, at Motor Classic Hungary, with the 300 SL Roadster. And you guys might remember this one because we filmed it during the wedding, that the chassis came together with the body. And this was one of the most unique moments in the history of classic restoration. As you know, Motor Classic Hungary, they have been restoring Mercedes vehicles for over 25 years. Just such a great track record. And I really love the exterior color. It is called the strawberry color. This was also its original state, how it came from factory. The interior is this beautiful beige leather, and yes, everything has been restored, so redone here at Motor Classic Hungary. The 300 SL is considered to be one of the most sleek and beautiful designs out there. Just check out the rear, guys, with the 300 SL lettering, the Mercedes star, and I really love the restoration details and the work craftsmanship of Motor Classic Hungary. Everything is done in-house. The chroming, the beautiful lettering, of course the full paint interior. I will show you that all in this video. But first, let's check out the trunk area. Beautiful booklet of Motor Classic Hungary. This is how they transport their classics all the way through Europe, but also worldwide. From this beautiful shaped rear and very broad shoulders, let's move over to the interior, as we have beautiful leather upholstery, and this is all done again in-house at Motor Classic. Amazing, just the details over here with very tight leather for the dash and soft leather for the seats. Beautiful mirrors at the side, and just check out the chrome work. The details also at the wheel caps. Let's have a look at the front in more detail. Beautiful Mercedes star. The blue and silver Mercedes-Benz logo and amazing chrome. It is just like a mirror, guys. Now it is time to head to the interior. But before that, I will show you what is under the bonnet. Therefore, I will just pull the release, and it opens in a beautiful way, and it also goes into the Mercedes store front. And there we have the fully restored engine with all the components, and everything that is aging material that can't be restored has been made in-house, otherwise it has been restored. Just look at the line, beautiful design, guys, of Mercedes-Benz. You can see the chrome lines over here, and yes, it is an amazing work of Motor Classic. They basically have to go back in these days to figure out how it was made, but because of the experience and track record, they know exactly how to do this. Then we have the strawberry color also at the wheel caps, and it just looks amazing also with this interior color, and that kind of reminds me to the lollipops with strawberry cream. This is how you open the door, just like knuckles. So let's go to the interior. I will just push this button over here, and there this knuckle-like door handle appears. So this is how you open the door. Then you have a very wide entrance, beautiful leather chroming, also for the window to open or close. Some more buttons over here with beautiful chrome details. So let's go inside. So let's close the door. Wow, this sound. Beautiful, guys. Then we have this very emotional interior. Beautiful steering wheel, and you have the glove compartment, and here it says 300 SL. So you can open it and also lock it with a key. You have a clock over here. Just look at the window form. It is beautiful, round shaped, and this is what you don't see anymore at nowadays vehicles. This is real craftsmanship, especially when it came from factory, but also in the restoration. This is basically the same work or even more advanced than it was done back in the days. Round shaped window, as I said, with also the wipers round shaped, and of course the rear view mirror. On the top some storage space, but it was actually used as a ashtray. Amazing, guys, with a manual gearbox. And every material that you can see, it is made just like original. If, for example, horsehair was used, they used horsehair here too inside. And you have all the galvanized parts, the chrome parts, everything just like original state. So if you look at it from this perspective, beautiful, sublime vehicle. I just can't wait for the summer to come, for the snow to disappear, and just really enjoying this roadster. Beautiful, guys. Then we have the door handles over here. Just look at the extreme fine work. Some more gadgets. Probably a light. And guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the 300 SL Roadster here at Motor Classic Hungary. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.